Kuka movement was founded in. Answer is option A, Punjab. Friends, the Kuka movement was organized in Punjab state. This movement was founded in 1840 by Bhagat Jawahar Mal in western Punjab. Bhagat Jawahar Mal was also known as Sian Sahib. Namdhari movement itself is known as Kuka movement. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were executed on. Answer is option C, 23rd March 1931. Friends, on March 23rd, 1931, Bhagat Singh along with his associates Sukhdev Thabar and Shivram Rajguru were hanged to death for the assassination of 20-year-old British police officer John Sanders. The day they were executed is celebrated as Martyrs' Day throughout the country. Chhath Puja, the famous traditional festival of India, is dedicated to which of the following gods? Answer is option B, Sun. Friends, Chhath Puja is celebrated in the state of Bihar, Jharkhand and UP. The festival is celebrated in the month of Kartika of the Hindu lunar Bikram Samvat calendar. It is a Hindu festival dedicated to the sun god and his wife Usha Chhathi Maiya. Zojila Pass connects which of the following two pairs? Answer is option A, Srinagar and Leh. Friends, Zojila is a high mountain pass located in the Kargil district of Ladakh. This pass connects Leh and Srinagar and provides an important link between the Union territories of Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following amendment acts introduced fundamental duties? Answer is option B, 42nd. The fundamental duties were incorporated in Part 4A of the Constitution by the 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976. Article 51A describes 11 fundamental duties. The 11th fundamental duty was added by 86th Amendment Act in 2002. Endocrine glands are called ductless gland because they secrete their hormones. Answer is option C, directly into blood. Who became the new chairman and managing director of IRCTC? Answer is option C, Sanjay Kumar Jain. Friends, IRCTC means Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Establishment on 27 September 1999 and headquarters of IRCTC is New Delhi. Which of the following is the origin of Narmada River? Answer is option A, Amarkantak. The Narmada River rises to the summit of the Amarkantak hill in Madhya Pradesh. The Narmada River flows through the state of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. The Narmada and the Tapti rivers are west flowing. Narmada and Tapti are the largest river without delta. Tirumalaria was court poet of. Answer is option C, Raja Wadayar. Aligang festival is a festival celebrated in the state of. Answer is option C, Assam. Friends, Aligang, a spring festival, is associated with the state Assam. The festival is celebrated by the Mising tribe. It is organized every year on the first Wednesday of the month of February. What is the common name of CHCl3? Answer is option B, chloroform. Friends, chloroform or trichloromethane is an organic compound with formula CHCl3 and a common organic solvent. It is colorless, strong smelling, dense liquid produced on a large scale as a precursor to PTFE. In which year was the title Viceroy given to Governor General of India? Answer is option A, 1858. The Governor General of India was given the title of Viceroy for the first time in 1858. Lord Canning was the first Viceroy of India. Lord Mountbatten was the last Viceroy of India. The Viceroy was appointed directly by the British government and he was representative to the British Crown. The duration of the post was from 1858 to 1948. C. Rajagopalachari was the first Indian Governor General of India. The property of metals to produce ringing sound on being struck with a hard object is known as. Answer is option B, sonorous. All of the following rivers originate from the Western Ghats except. Answer is option D, Mahanadi. Friends, Mahanadi is a major river in east central India. It is also known for the Hirakund Dam. It drains an area of around 1,32,100 square kilometers and has a total length of 900 kilometers. Mahanadi is mainly a part of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Who has recently been appointed by the Election Commission of India as its national icon? Answer is option D, Rajkumar Rao. Friends, Election Commission of India established on 25 January 1950. Headquarters of this Delhi. Present chairman is Rajiv Kumar and first chairman is Sukumar Sen. Every year 25 January is celebrated as National Voters Day to commemorate the foundation day of the Election Commission of India. Savita Punya is associated with which sport? Answer is option D, hockey. For separation of different gases from air, which process is used? Answer is option A, fractional distillation. One of the most important music forms of Uttarakhand, blank, was originally performed in royal courts. Answer is option D, Thadya. Friends, Thadya is a musical form performed in Uttarakhand which was originally performed in royal courts. Bazuband, Chura, Chopati and Khuded are some of the folk songs of Uttarakhand. Barada Nati is one of the famous folk dance of Uttarakhand. Which of the following is the best conductor of heat? Answer is option B, mercury. Mercury is a good electrical conductor and a good heat conductor. The boiling point of mercury is 356.6 degrees Celsius. Mercury reacts with some acids. Mercury reacts with sulfur but does not react with oxygen present in the air. Which of the following states is home to the Great Indian Bustard? Answer is option D, Rajasthan. Friends, a big member of the bustard family, the Great Indian Bustard is one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. On the Indian subcontinent, the Great Indian Bustard lives in dry grasslands and scrublands. The Indian state of Rajasthan has the highest concentrations of these birds.